Up here at the top of the Pages panel, you can see an area for what are called master pages. Master pages are pages where you can add objects that will propagate through all of the other spreads in your book. So I'm going to click up here on a master, and I'll give you an example. I'll place an image on this page. Place, select an image, click OK, and I'm going to place this image on this page. And now you can see every page in my book down here in the Pages panel has that image on it. So something that I always use my A-Master for is to create a grid. I really like working with grids. They're really important to use in design projects so that your objects and text are placed consistently across your book. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So I am on my A-Master, and I'm going to go to Layout, Create Guides, and in here you have your options for your grid. I'm going to create a 9 by 9 grid. I have Preview selected so I can see my grid as it forms. You can have a gutter in between your grid lines. I'm going to take the gutter off for this project. And you can have your guides fit to your margins or your page. And I'm going to have it fit to my page. Click OK. And since we did this on the master page and a master is applied to all these pages, you can tell because there's the capital A in the corner of each page. When I click on that page, my grid is showing up on each page. And now I can use that grid to align my images and other objects. Like I said, you can see here in the corner of each page the letter A. That means that A-Master, where I've created my grid lines, is being applied to that page. If you have a page where you don't want that specific A-Master, you can remove it. And so I'm going to show you how to do that. If I right-click on the thumbnail here, go down to Apply Master to Pages, I'm on page 4, and I can switch this to none. Click OK. So this one page no longer has those grid lines. You can also create more than one master, and you can do that by clicking this little menu up here in the corner of the Pages panel and going down to New Master. Click on that, and the New Master panel will open. Give it a prefix, and in this case it's automatically giving it the prefix of B. It's going to be called B Master. You can base it on a previous master, which means all of the objects in the master it's based on will appear and then add new ones. In this case I'm going to say none. I'm going to have it applied to a whole spread, but you can say that you only want it to apply to a single page. And click OK. And now you can see I have A Master that has the grid lines, and now I have B Master that's currently empty. So you can create a separate grid, and why don't we do that right now? Go to Layout, Create Guides, and in this case I'm going to make a different grid. Let's say a 5 by 5 with the gutter. Maybe we'll use this for text boxes. And I will fit this to the page as well. Click OK. And now there's B Master. I'm going to go back down to page 4 where I had removed the A Master, and I'm going to right click on it, Apply Master to Pages, and click B Master. Click OK. And now you can see that grid is applied to that page. So different pages can have different masters applied, and you can have multiple masters if you have different layouts on certain pages and you need a different grid system.